The Financial Reports tab gives you a series of 5 tabs, which gives you the ability to run several reports and queries. So what we're going to do in this section here is walk you through the main tab, which is the Donations tab, and show you how this works. First of all, you have total donations, and you ask, well, where does total donations come from? Well, very simple. You see this query here from January the 1st, 2017 to February 5th, 2017. That is the total donations for that specific period. If you change that to, let's say, April 2nd, 2017, if you click on Filter, then what will happen is it'll give you the total donations, total online donations, and total offline donations for that specific period. So this section up here is going to give you a total donations and online total and an offline total, depending on the search filter criteria that you use. Now the advantage here is you can come here, and we're going to scroll up just a little bit. You can come here and say, all right, I'd like a financial report based on payment type. Now, once you do that, it automatically asks, okay, payment types, report, you're going to select all users, and the payment type we're going to ask is offline. Once we click on filter, actually it does it for us automatically. So during this pay period, there were no offline payment types. Okay, now if we go back here and we select Vanco for an example during the same time period, we don't have any. Well, actually that's not true. We have a few here. It just took a second to populate. So now you can see these are all the modes, the Vanco modes of payment. Okay, these are online payments through Vanco, one of our partners, and you can see here the information. You can export it to Excel, export it to PDF. If you need to, which we highly caution, if you need to delete something, you can delete something. If you need to compare donations, you can also compare donations and run a report to help you compare donations. So let's say you want to select online donations, one fund ID, which is general. It can be, one particular user here. Okay, you enter the start date, and again, this person may not have anything there, and then the end date. Okay, we're not there yet, but just to give you an example, so you do the same for each, and then basically you can compare the donations that have been made. Okay, so this would be the first start date, this would be the second start date, and you click on compare donation payments, and you can see the donation comparisons. Okay, but the main thing with this page is really not the comparisons, although that is helpful. It's really the ability that you have to select different types of reports. So we came back here and we selected fund ID. Okay, we can come here and run a report that gives us the fund ID. So this will give us all fund IDs, but maybe I don't want fund IDs. Maybe I just want general fund IDs. And once I do that, it'll give me the report for general fund ID, all people, from January 1st through April 2nd, 2017. So that's how it works. And again, this is a great tool here. It gives you the big picture. If you want to say, all right, let's look at, from May 14th, from the 1st through the 14th, let's do all, and then let's run that report. It does it automatically. And then this is the amount that's been given. So again, you can export this to Excel, you can export it to PDF, you can upload this to other software, financial software, etc. if you need to do more analysis, but it is very, very helpful. Now, as we look at the other tabs here below, or here on the side rather, and here above, these tabs are going to give you different types of reports. You have a statement summary report, you have a giving consistency report, and notice in each of these reports we're going to walk you through what they mean. So no need to fear. We're going to do that for you and help you out. So all you need to know right now is that when you need to search and query and export information and run different types of reports, you want to go to the financial and the financial reports page, and that will give you the reports you need to run your analysis of your financial payment or donation information.